Hey, it's Derek, JVI Secret Gardens. So this is what happens when the bomb goes off. So what does it look like? You've hired us, you've trusted us, we show up at your house, and all of a sudden we destroy everything. So what are you gonna see? You're gonna see tracks in your yard. You're probably gonna see a roll-off dumpster, maybe even a porta potty. You're gonna see rocks everywhere, you're gonna see debris. It's gonna look like a mess. There's gonna be stuff all over the place, but just rest assured, you hired us, you trusted us, we're gonna take care of you. So after all this stuff looks like mayhem, we're gonna put it all back together and we're gonna create paradise in your space.